Hey you guys, welcome to another episode of Pieces of Comfort. How you guys doing today? I'm doing alright, I wanted to go out today and do some of my errands, but it's a rainy day in my neighborhood, so I sat my down. Anyway, have you guys been crocheting without me? Let me know. I have been busy, a busy bee. I've been hooking all night. It's a joke, sorry. Needle, hook, crocheting. Okay, you guys, remember the blanket that we were working on? Well, I got busy. So this is what I've been doing. Like I said, it was going to turn into a blanket. I don't know if you guys had took what I was showing you and ran with it, or you was still at a pause with the small little square. If so, it's cool. I will guide you and get you past that square into the start of a blanket. Okay, well, I'm bringing the camera closer. This is the same cherry red yarn, and I'm doing the rib. Remember, I was going to tell you about how to do the rib. This is the rib. Can you guys see? Can you see? Let me show you. Is that better? This is called the rib. I don't know if you guys can see, but like I said before, laptop, it looks like a braid. We go through the back hole, because there's two holes when you're crocheting. Two holes on a hook. You know what? I'm doing it again because I told you this is my favorite needle. I am going to switch it up for you guys. Maybe, did I use a blue last time? Was the blue easier to see? See, there's two. But instead of going through two, we take the needle only through one, and it lifts it, making your blanket comes out spongy, softer, a little more airier. A lot of people tell me that it still keeps you warm, but the single crochet is a warmer blanket. I guess because, it's more air can get through. But I like it. This is my favorite. This is my favorite to do. Okay. So, you know what? I need to move this. Hold on. You know, I got my fingers off. Are you guys ready to pick up this skill? Okay, like we did before, we knot it and you just keep going. You build a chain as many as you want. It can go up to 6 feet long. It can go up to 5 feet, whatever the length of the blanket that you want. Just build a chain, turn your work, keep going. I'm going to do a sample. Okay, I'm going to do a sample real quick for you guys. But of course, I'm going to make a video so you can see my work. It will be a long video. I don't know if y'all ready for that ride, but it'll be longer than the other videos I've posted. I don't know if you guys can see I'm wearing black today. So you loop your work like I showed you before. Now remember, I said it has 2 holes. Go through only one, but always go through the back, pull it through. You should have 3 on your chain. Go through 2. You have 2 on your chain. Go through the 2. You have 1 on your chain. And you guys see? Under, through the back, pull it through. That's the daggone cats. 3 on your chain. 1, 2, 3. We're going to make 2 on the chain. Boom. 1 on the chain. Hey. Do it again. And if you continue this all the way to the end, you go up 3. Like I told you, you make 3 chain, turn your work, and start in that first hole. I'm just messing all up today. I need to calm down and relax. I'm so nervous. Can you guys tell if I'm nervous or not? Trust me. Stick with me, you guys. This is going to get better for me and for you. I'm learning and you guys are learning along with me. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. You ready? Okay, I have to calm down. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I have to calm down. Come on, you guys. Hey, calm down, calm down. Breathe. Okay, loop. 3, 2, 1. When you guys are like doing your work or a hobby that you enjoy doing, you gotta listen to music. What kind of music do you listen to? Or you just like to just, have that peace and quiet so you can hear the cat in the back, the rain hitting the window. Honestly, I like to put my headphones on and just, I'll be doing my thing. The louder the better. I could just tune out the world and I'll be gone, okay? I look up and it's nighttime. That's how I be in my zone, like crocheting. Crocheting, you don't understand. It has been therapy for me. It's gotten me through a whole lot. I'm so sorry. Stuff is falling in the background. Like, what is going on in my home? I probably need to insert some of that jingle music. It'd be like ding 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 ding. You can't hear me rambling. You could just see me working. Ding 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 ding. Oh, sorry. Okay, I'm gonna wrap this up and I will make a short video on how I did the rib. I just wanted you guys to see what I was talking about in one of the other videos when I said I was going to teach you guys how to make the rib. Oh my God, this is my favorite. I have another I like to do as well. Now, I haven't made the blanket for anyone personally, but I have learned the skill. It's the zigzag. I'll show you guys that one, but on hand, I think I do have a sample of the icicles. I love the sickles. Are they called icicles? But you see how this looks? Oh, okay, I'm gonna make a shorter video on it. Okay, you guys. Here is my face. You ready to see me? You ready to see me? I have to adjust the camera myself. I know I suck. It'll get better. Trust me. Please stick with me along this journey. This is so new to me. And the thing is, it's like I've always wanted to make a YouTube channel. I always wanted to introduce myself to the world and and talk to people and have people talk back to me and just make a whole big family, but I just never did it. Well, I'm doing it now. How about that? All right, so I'm gonna wrap this video up, but I'll be right back with the second pattern that I like to do. It's called the icicles. Okay, be right back. Wait for me. Don't